In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on a Xero invoice. Navigating through your finances in Xero includes a variety of tasks, and adjusting the currency for an invoice is a common need, especially for businesses dealing with international clients. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to where the action happens. You'll notice a business tab in the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click on it. Under the Business section, you'll find an option titled Invoices. By clicking on Invoices, you're entering the space where you manage all things invoice-related, from creating new ones to viewing and handling existing invoices. To locate the specific invoice you wish to edit, browse through your list until you find the one that needs a currency adjustment. If you find yourself overwhelmed with too many invoices, consider using the search feature. This can help refine your search based on specific invoice details, making the process more streamlined. Once you've pinpointed the invoice you want to alter, look towards the end of the invoice row. Here, you'll find 3 dots or an options menu. Click on these dots. You'll see additional actions available on a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select Edit, which will take you to the invoice editing page. This is where you can make various modifications, including altering the currency. On the editing page, you'll find a drop-down menu dedicated to currency. This menu is your gateway to changing the currency of your invoice. Clicking on it will reveal a list of available currencies. Scroll through these options and select the one you wish to apply to your invoice. It's important to note that the currencies available here are determined by what you've set up in your Xero account settings. If you haven't already, ensure you've added the necessary currencies to your settings before proceeding. After choosing your new currency, the last step is to click Update. The Update button is typically positioned either at the bottom or top of the page. By clicking Update, you save the changes you've made, applying the new currency setting to your invoice. And just like that, you've successfully changed the currency on a Xero invoice. The process is straightforward, but it's crucial to pay attention to detail to make sure you're editing the correct invoice and selecting the right currency. A couple of additional tips to remember. Always double-check the currency rate if you're issuing an invoice in a foreign currency. While Xero does offer tools to assist with currency conversions, it's a good practice to verify these details yourself to prevent discrepancies. Changing an invoice's currency can impact financial reporting, so be mindful of how these changes affect your overall financials, particularly when working with multiple currencies regularly. Changing invoice currencies in Xero is just one feature that showcases the software's flexibility and efficiency in financial management for businesses worldwide. Whether you're billing international clients or adjusting invoice details to reflect the proper currency, Xero ensures the process is simple and direct. That wraps up today's tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. For more Xero tips and tutorials, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Happy invoicing!